Hello, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Fantasy. In the last video I have covered how to use a consumer. And now you will ask maybe this question. Can we make multiple consumer in only once as for predicate, for function? Is there any method? Yes. Yes, you can group consumer in only one with using the default method, and that is andThen as function. Is the same name, andThen, but there is only one. Okay, andThen. So we give him C1 consumer dot and then C2. This is only one consumer and the group to consumer. Okay, of course it begins to start with the first consumer and it will be followed by the second C2. Okay, for example, if you have the employees, the class employees, what you can do, I make some example. Okay, I suppose you have a date, some attribute date in your employees, I don't know, entry date for example, and you want to format this date. So you have the first consumer, it format the date, okay, and the second one, he save this employee in the database. Okay, so here you will make directly, you can do C1 dot and then C2. Okay, it's so simple. You after this, of course, accept the employee. So I will make simple example with employees using only attribute name and salary. What I will do, I will just display, for example, the first one, it displays the name, and the second one, it displays the salary of this employee. Okay, so I will use to consumer by displaying this information. Yes, I can do it, of course, I can do it in only one consumer, I know, but only to show you how to use this method andThen, default method andThen. Okay, so let's go to the computer to add another consumer or two consumers and apply this default method andThen before to finish this topic. Let's go. So now I will create two other consumer. I just command this one. Okay, I will create the first one that displays the name and the second one that displays the salary or the city. Let's make it. So C1, I'll give him an employee, of course, the same thing, and here it will display, employee name. I just make this employee name. Okay, so employee dot name, and the second one is the city. So C2, and here employee dot city, and here employee city. Okay, and now I will call only one consumer that display me these two information, but I will start with C1, and after this I will do the C2. So with like this, C1 dot C2, where is it? andThen C2 dot here accept. I will give him any employee, for example, list of what is get the first one, me, for example. Okay, so let's check this. As you can see, I have the name and the city directly. Okay, if I change this one, let's remove this one. Where is it? What I have forgot to comment. This one, I think this one. Yeah, don't get it again. So now if I make C2 dot and then C1, I will got the city in the first result. After this I will got the name. Let's see this. So and here. You see, it's so simple like this.